So I got started by gluing up and cutting to size all of the side and top pieces. I then moved on to cutting down and gluing up all of the drawers. Here I'm gluing up the front and inside slides for the drawers. Now it's time to just put the two sides together. I like adding screws to the bottom. I'm pretty sure it's not necessary. I think the brad nails will hold just fine, but I like adding them anyway. Just making sure that top stays right where I want it. I'm going to add some nails too. Okay, so the small apothecary cabinet is finished. Turned out okay, I think. Actually, I liked it so much, I made a second one here. Just added a top and bottom piece, just kind of mix it up a little bit. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.